Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue solving exercise 17C from chapter Circles. So let's solve the last question, question number 11. So in the given figure, BD is the side of a regular hexagon, DC is the side of a regular pentagon and AD is the diameter. Calculate first part angle ADC, second part angle BDA, third part angle ABC and fourth part angle AEC. So we are given the figure over here. There is a circle and BD is the side of a regular hexagon. BD, this chord, is the side of a regular hexagon and DC, this chord DC, is the side of a regular pentagon. So BD is the side of a regular hexagon and DC is the side of a regular pentagon, right? And AD is the diameter. So this is the given information and we need to find out these four angles. First, let us see, using this information, what other information we are getting, what other angles we are getting. Let us find that first. Okay. So मुझे पता है BD is the side of a regular hexagon, DC is the side of a regular pentagon. रेगुलर पॉलीगन का साइड अगर है तो वो साइड जो एंगल सबटेंड करेगा एट द सेंटर, एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय दिस साइड, दैट इज दिस chord BD at the center, I can easily find out. Same way, angle subtended by this chord DC at the center, I can easily find out if I am given that it is the side of a regular polygon. Okay, अब वो रेगुलर पॉलीगन इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल हो सकता है, स्क्वायर हो सकता है, पेंटागन हो सकता है, हेक्सागन हो सकता है, ओके, ऑक्टागन हो सकता है. सो रेगुलर होना चाहिए. रेगुलर मीन्स all sides of the polygon are equal and all angles of the polygon are equal. That is the required condition. Okay, so in case you don't know this part, please refer to the introduction video. Please clear your basics and then solve these sums. Okay students, so यहाँ पे first thing that we'll do is we'll find out the angle subtended by this chord at the center and angle subtended by this chord at the center. अब मुझे center तो दिया नहीं है, right? I'm not given the center. So what you will do is you need to construct the center. It's very easy. This is the diameter, right? This is the diameter. Diameter will be passing through the center. I know that, right? Diameter is the only chord which passes through the center. So AD will be passing through the center. Now AD का roughly midpoint consider करो. Okay, the midpoint of AD, that will be the center. So consider the midpoint and join OB and OC. Because we can easily find out the angle subtended by BD at the center, that is BOD, and angle subtended by DC at the center, that is DOC. Okay, so construct the center. All right, हम लोग randomly नहीं draw कर रहे हैं, diameter दिया है इसलिए हम लोग midpoint find out कर सकते हैं. Okay, that is how we can construct the center. If diameter was not given, then you cannot consider any random point as center. ओके, सो यहाँ पे AD दिया हुआ है. नाउ एंगल BOD क्या होगा एंड एंगल DOC, एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय BD एट द सेंटर एंड एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय DC एट द सेंटर. व्हाट विल बी द एंगल्स? BOD will be angle of the circle which is 360 degree divided by number of sides in that polygon. कितना साइडेड पॉलीगन है? 6 साइडेड. हेक्सागन is 6 sided, so divide by 6 number of sides. So 360 by 6 will give 60. Same way DOC. DOC will be angle of the circle divided by how many sides are there in this pentagon? 5. So 360 by 5, 72. So BOD will be 60 and DOC will be 72. Okay. ये दो angles मिल गया. What else? AD is the diameter. AD diameter है, तो diameter will subtend 90 degree on the circumference. तो AD अगर circumference पे कोई angle subtend कर रहा है, अब यहाँ पे मुझे एक angle तो दिख रहा है, right? This angle, AD is subtending this angle on the circumference. So this angle ABD will be 90 degree. Correct? So I have one more angle now, ABD, 90 degree. So I have BOD, DOC, ABD. These three angles I have. First we will see how to solve, and then we are going to solve with proper steps. Alright. So over here, ADC पहले find out करना है. ADC, this angle. बहुत easy है students. ADC, I'll draw this separately. ADC, ये एंगल है. AD पे O लाई करता है, right? AD is a straight line, right? It is a diameter, so it is a straight line. O lies on it. अगर मैंने short कर दिया arm, still the angle remains the same. ADC की जगह पे now I can say it is ODC. I need to find out angle ODC. To find out angle ODC, we'll consider this triangle ODC. Okay, so ODC, ये triangle consider करो. Now if you look at the triangle ODC, I know one angle DOC. DOC is 72. Right? Also OC and OD equal होगा. Both are radii of the circle. Center, when you join the center with any point on the circumference, you will get radius. So OC is radius, OD is radius, OB is radius. So all three are equal. Okay. So OC, OD equal होगा. So this is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle है. So equal sides जो होगा उसका opposite angles will be equal. So ये side and ये side, these are equal sides. इसका opposite angle and इसका opposite angle will be equal angles. So this angle and this angle will be equal. ODC and OCD will be equal angles. Right? Now sum of all the angles of the triangle will be 180 degree. So angle ODC plus OCD प्लस DOC, तीनों को ऐड करें तो 180 डिग्री होगा. राइट? ODC एंड OCD दोनों इक्वल है ना? ODC एंड OCD दोनों इक्वल है एंड आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट ODC. तो OCD की जगह पे आई कैन पुट ODC बिकॉज बोथ आर इक्वल. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ OCD आई पुट ODC. ODC एज इट इज. यहाँ पे ODC अगेन. And DOC is how much? DOC is 72 degree. So plus 72 is equal to 180. 72 को shift करो. 180 minus 72. How much will you get? 108. ODC plus ODC twice angle ODC. So 2 वहाँ पे shift करेंगे. Divide by 2 हो जाएगा. So angle ODC will be 108 by 2. That will be 54. Correct? So angle ODC will be 54. ये angle मुझे मिल गया 54. ODC is nothing but ADC, right? 54. तो ये मुझे मिल जाएगा 54 डिग्री. All right? तो ये मिल गया. BDA. I need to find out BDA. To find out BDA, we'll consider this triangle ABD. Okay? ABD में BDA ये angle आता है. This angle is a part of this triangle. Okay? ये triangle ABD, whatever you name it, BDA, ABD, DBA. So ABD ये triangle में ये angle find out करना है. I know one angle. ABD is 90, right? Angle subtended by the diameter on the circumference is always 90 degree. It is a right angle. Or in other words, angle of a semicircle. Okay. ये डायमीटर दो सेमी सर्कल्स फॉर्म करता है। अब ये सेमी सर्कल में मैं एंड पॉइंट से डायमीटर से कहीं पर भी एंगल ड्रॉ करूं सर्कम्फरेंस पे, इट इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी 90 डिग्री। सो दिस इज 90। I need this angle for that. For finding BDA, I need one more angle, this angle. Then using sum of all angles of triangles, I can easily find out this third angle. Okay, तो मुझे दो angles पता होना चाहिए। अब ये angle कैसे मिलेगा? BAD will be half of BOD. BD, this chord subtends BOD at the center, and the same chord BD subtends angle BAD on the circumference. Angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended on the circumference. Correct? So angle BOD, angle subtended at the center, will be twice the angle subtended on the circumference. Same chord is subtending angle at the center, the same chord is subtending angle on the circumference. तो ये रिलेशन मुझे पता है। BOD is 60 degree, so 60 is twice angle BAD. In other words, BAD will be half of 60, that is 30. तो ये मुझे मिल जाएगा 30 डिग्री। I know two angles, I can easily find out third angle. This is 90, this is 30, 90 plus 30, 120. Sum of all angles is 180. 180 minus 120 will give me 60. We are going to do the working later, students. We are just finding out how to solve the sum. ठीक है? So ये मुझे मिल जाएगा, BDA भी मिल जाएगा। ठीक है? ADC मिल गया, BDA मिल गया। अब ABC फाइंड आउट करना है, दिस एंगल ABC. ABC, for that I need to join BC. Okay, this angle ABC. ABC is a part of ABD. ये जो ABD angle है, which is a right angle, right? ABC is a part of it. If I find out CBD, अगर मुझे ये मिल गया, this angle, then ABD minus CBD will give me ABC. I already know this is 90, I need to find out this. If I get this, I can easily find out ABC. ये मुझे मिल जाएगा. So CBD will be half of COD. COD is the angle subtended by this chord DC at the center. COD in other words DOC. ठीक है, तो DOC मुझे पता है, angle subtended by the chord at the center is 72 degree. Angle subtended at the center मुझे पता है. Now I know angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended on the circumference. DC is subtending DOC at the center and DC is subtending DBC on the circumference, DBC or CBD. Okay, DBC बोलो या CBD बोलो, one and the same. So DBC. Now this DOC is 72. So DBC will be 72 by 2, that is 36. So DBC will be 36 degree. 90 minus 36, that will give you angle ABC. This whole is 90. 90 में से 36 subtract करो, ये मिल जाएगा. That is going to be 54. तो ABC मिल जाएगा. This is 36. This will be 54. This whole angle will be 54. ये मिल गया. ABC मिल गया तो AEC easily मिल जाएगा. ABC and AEC relation क्या है? If you look at ABCE, all the 4 points are lying on the circumference of the circle, that is, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so again I'll show this separately. I'll draw the circle separately. We just found ABC, है ना? ABC which is 54 degree. ये वाला angle. अब A, B, C, E, all the 4 points are lying on the circle. I am not drawing the circle, students. Okay. A, B, C, E में A, B, C, E चारों ही circumference पे lie करता है, तो it is a cyclic quadrilateral. And cyclic quadrilateral का क्या property है? Opposite angles are supplementary. So angle B plus angle E दोनों का sum is 180. Same way angle A plus angle C दोनों का sum is 180. Opposite angles are supplementary. Okay. So angle ABC plus angle AEC will be 180. ABC 54 है, तो AEC क्या हो जाएगा? 180 minus 54. Right? So that is going to be 126. Right? So AEC भी मिल जाएगा. एक बार ABC मिल गया, फिर AEC is very easy. Okay? So we need to find out these 4 angles. Now we'll solve with proper steps. Students, I will suggest that you write down given to find, because here we have to do construction as well. Okay, so given में we know BD is a side of regular hexagon. Next, DC is a side of regular pentagon. Next, AD is a diameter. Okay. This is the given part. Now to find part, I am not writing it. ये चारों angles लिखना है. Okay. So first, second, third, fourth. These 4 angles you need to find out. Then construction. If for construction, BC join करेंगे, so join BC. We need to join BC for finding angle ABC and considering O, okay, center O, which is midpoint of AD. Okay, so draw O, the center, which is midpoint of AB. AD, sorry, not AB, AD. Okay, तो ये कंस्ट्रक्शन हो गया. Now starting with the solution. First we'll find out all the possible angles that we can find out. ठीक है, so BD यूज करके BOD फाइंड आउट करेंगे, DC यूज करके DOC एंड AD यूज करके एंगल ABD. ओके, सो BD is a side of regular hexagon. This is given. So angle BOD will be angle of the circle divided by hexagon में कितना sides है? 6 sides. So 60 degree. Mark this as 1. Same way DC is a side of regular pentagon. Again given. So angle DOC will be angle of the circle divided by number of sides in the polygon. Pentagon है 5 sides. So 72 degree. Again mark this. This is 2. Now we'll find out angle ABD. AD is a diameter of the circle. Again reason given. So angle ABD, this angle which is subtended by diameter on the circumference, it will be a right angle 90 degree. Angle of a semicircle, or angle subtended by the diameter on the circumference is a right angle. Okay, so ये तीनों angles मिल गया. Mark this as 3. Now we'll solve for these 4 angles using these 3. Considering triangle ODC, we have angle DOC which is 72 degree. Proven, you can write down proven or from 2. We had marked this as 2, correct? What else? We know OD is equal to OC. OD, OC दोनों equal है, right? Both radii of same circle. So OD का opposite angle and OC का opposite angle. OD का opposite angle OCD and OC का opposite angle ODC. दोनों equal है. I need to find ODC, correct? So both the angles are equal. Isosceles triangle theorem. Okay. दोनों angles equal है. So in triangle ODC, angle DOC plus OCD plus ODC will be 180 degree. This is 72. OCD ODC दोनों equal है. मुझे क्या find out करना है? ODC. So OCD की जगह पे I can put ODC because OCD is equal to ODC. Correct? And ये ODC as it is. So twice angle ODC will be equal to 180 minus 72. That will give 108. So angle ODC will be 108 by 2, that is 54 degree. Okay. So ODC will be 54, that is ADC will be 54. So therefore angle ADC is equal to 54 degree. Okay. First part मिल गया हम लोग को, ठीक है. So ADC मिल गया. अब BDA find out करते हैं. BDA, for which we are going to consider this triangle ABD. We have angle BOD equal to 2 times angle BAD. BD is subtending BOD at the center, right? It will be twice the angle subtended by the same chord or same arc on the circumference, which is BAD. So BOD will be twice BAD. You will write down angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended on the circumference. Students, no short forms, पूरा reason लिखो, ठीक है. BOD we know it is 60 degree, तो ये 60 degree है. It is twice angle BAD. So BAD हो जाएगा 60 by 2, that is 30. Switch the sides and rewrite. BAD is 30. तो ये मिल गया 30 है. अब ये ट्रायंगल कंसिडर करते हैं. BDA फाइंड आउट करते हैं. In triangle ABD, we have angle ABD 90 degree. What else? Angle BAD 30 degree. Okay. Angle ABD plus BAD plus BDA is equal to 180. Here you will give reason. Sum of all angles of triangles is 180 degree. Previously जो हम लोग ने solve किया था, when we considered triangle ODC, वहाँ पे भी reason लिखना है students, I forgot. Okay. तो जब भी properties use कर रहे हो वो property लिखना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो सम ऑफ ऑल एंगल्स ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स इज 180 डिग्री. वहां पे भी लिख देना फॉर ट्राइंगल ओडीसी, जब हम लोग ने लिखा था सम ऑफ द एंगल्स इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. ओके, ABD वैल्यू इज 90, BAD 30, BDA फाइंड करना है, ये हो जाएगा 120. सो BDA इज इक्वल टू 180 minus 120, that will give 60. So BDA is 60. Okay, BDA 60 मिल गया. So second part भी मिल गया, फर्स्ट सेकेंड दोनों हो गया है. ठीक है, बॉक्स और अंडरलाइन द आंसर. फर्स्ट पार्ट में भी अंडरलाइन और बॉक्स कर दो. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड पार्ट मिल गया. थर्ड पार्ट एंगल ABC. Now angle ABC we need to find out. Students, I told you to find out angle ABC using angle ABD, है ना. ABD में से CBD subtract करके ABC find out कर सकते हैं. You can follow that method. All right. Now it just struck me कि ABC will be equal to ADC. ABC and ADC दोनों equal होगा. Why? ABC and ADC are angles of the same segment. Okay, or it is subtended by the same arc AEC. So यही arc ABC subtend कर रहा है, यही arc ADC subtend कर रहा है. So जब एक step में हो रहा है, why use 3-4 steps? Okay, so you can use that method which I showed earlier. I will not be following that method because this is easier. ठीक है, तो ABC ADC दोनों इक्वल होगा एंगल्स ऑफ द सेम सेगमेंट. ऑलराइट, सो ABC will be 54 same as ADC. We have angle ABC equal to angle ADC, right? ये आर्क जो है, this arc AEC is subtending angle ABC on the circumference and it is subtending angle ADC, another angle on the circumference. So the same arc is subtending two angles. So both the angles are going to be equal. Angle ABC, ADC will be equal. Angles in same segment. ADC is 54, right? So ABC भी 54 हो जाएगा. Proven. Angle ADC is equal to 54 degree. Okay, so write down third part. मिल गया, angle ABC is 54. Underline or box the answer. AEC के लिए हम लोग ये quadrilateral consider करेंगे. ABCE, this quadrilateral. This quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral because A, B, C, E are lying on the circumference of the circle. So write down quadrilateral ABCE is a cyclic quadrilateral. No short forms. पूरा word लिखना है students. You will not use these symbols. ठीक है? यहाँ पे ठीक है, but यहाँ पे पूरा word लिखना है. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. From figure you can say. So therefore I can say opposite angles are supplementary. ABCE में ABC and AEC दोनों का sum will be 180. That is both the angles are supplementary. Angle ABC plus angle AEC ये मुझे find out करना है, right? यही find out करेंगे. So it is 180 degree. This I just found. ABC it is 54. So 54 plus angle AEC. Either mark this as 5 and write down from 5. Value put किया है, right? ABC का. Or you can write down from 3. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने already find out किया ही था. So from 3 also you can write down. Okay. But give reason, students. Okay. So AEC will be equal to 180 minus 54, that is 126. Fourth part भी मिल गया. Okay. Don't forget to box or underline the answer.